Dear students, the political institutions of colonial rule also help in making Constitution of India. The British rule had given, how did British rule or colonial rule help in making the Constitution of India? So British rule had given voting rights, but it was for very few. On that basis, the British had introduced very weak legislature. Although British rule gave voting right to Indian people, but it was for very few. That's why the legislature of colonial rule was very weak. Elections were held in 1937 to provincial legislatures and ministries all over British India. These were not fully democratic governments, but the experience gained by Indians in the working of the legislative institutions proved to be very useful for country in the setting up its own institutions and working in them. It means legislature that is working at this time. This legislature was taken from the colonial rule, colonial institutions, as well as Indian Constitution adopted many institutional details and procedures from colonial laws like the Government of India Act 1935. It means the ideas of institutions, political institutions, and its procedures had been taken from the colonial rule like the Government of India Act 1935. Thus we see that years of thinking and deliberation on the framework of the Constitution had another benefit. Dear students, I would like to say that if an issue comes before you, don't be hasty to take decision. Deliberate on that issue, think on that issue, then what decision will be taken by you, that will be right. That will be very right. That will be very useful to you. Similarly, thinking and deliberation on the frameworks of the Constitution for years had another benefit. Our leaders gained confidence to learn from other countries. It means our leaders gained experiences and knowledge from the other country's constitution, like French Revolution. Some ideas in our constitution have been taken from French Revolution, the practice of parliamentary democracy from the British Constitution, Bill of Rights from Bill of Rights of the US, the social and economic equality had been taken from the Russian Revolution, yet they were not simply imitating what others had done, but they did not imitate. They did not copy that others had done, but at each step they were questioning whether these things suited our country. But they discussed, they deliberated that how much these ideas were suited to our countries. All these factors contributed to the making of our constitution. Students, now I would like to tell you that often question is asked that what were the factors that helped in making Indian constitutions. So factors that help in making Indian constitution were the experiences of freedom struggle. The constitution drafted by Motilal Nehru, the experiences of British rule, the ideas of French Revolution, the ideas of British Constitution, the ideas of the Bill of Rights in the USA, and the Russian Revolution. These were the factors that helped in making constitution. Dear students, in next class we will discuss about the Constituent Assembly which drafted the Indian Constitution, a epic of modern democracy in modern India, which makes India as a modern democracy, or which makes our country modern. Thank you. Okay.